Hello guys, now in this particular video we are going to learn about the PS command. Okay, so basically what is a PS command, why we use it, we will discuss each and everything in this particular video. Okay, so what is this PS? But before that we just increase the font size. Now I hope it is visible. So PS is nothing but process state. What does it mean? It basically means it just gives us the information about the state of any process. Okay, we will get the PID of a number, the name of the command, who is the user who is using that particular process. So we will get each and every information about the process. But before starting and going into the deep insight of this topic, you should know what is a process. So process is nothing but the execution of a program. When I open this Firefox, it will become one of the process. When I will hit this particular thing, it will become one of the process. I know it is invalid command, but still, if I will open any this music rhythm box, then it will become one of the process. So process is nothing but the execution of a program. Okay, so now let's play with this PS command. So when you will enter the PS, it basically gives you the status of this current shell, what are the processes running in this particular cell. Like this is one of the cell. If I will open another window of terminal, it will give me the another shell. Okay, so here you can see we are just getting this PS, the command which entered just, and this is the bash is one of the, like you can say, shell which acts like a parent process. Like some other process use this bash to execute some kind of their task. Okay, so now let's basically talk about the what are these four types of like what is this, like PID, TTY. Okay, so let's start with the PID. Okay, so what is a PID is nothing but the process ID. What does it mean? It basically gives us the unique identification number of a process. Like let me tell you the example of suppose in a family member, each and everyone will have the different name. Okay, not two person will have the same name in a group of like family of not two, 5 to 6 members. Okay, similarly this PID is there, like process ID. It uniquely identifies each and every process in this operating system. Okay, it just gives you the particular number of 4-digit and all. So I hope that is clear to you what is the process ID. Now moving forward, that is TTY is nothing but a terminal type. It gives you the information about the what type of terminal is being used by the user. Let me just write terminal type. And yeah, if you are just watching this video, so don't just keep watching, make notes also, so that will be helpful for you for your further use. Now this is the time is nothing but the CPU utilization time by the process. So here it is 0 because no any other process using this bash shell or bash command. Okay, so this is CPU utilization time. Okay, now moving forward, the CMD is nothing but a command which is used by, like, what commands have been applied for this particular process. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, like what is PID, TTY, time, CMD. Okay, now moving forward, now you will be thinking about why there is only two processes displaying, because PS command by default displays the current process in a current shell. Okay, so to get more information about the different processes, like on a boot time, there are multiple processes runs like on booting of our system. So let me just enter this PS-A. So here you can see there are the multiple processes. You can see like what are the commands has been used, like system D, SCSI, polkadot. Okay, this one colored. So there are many processes here you can see in this particular like screen. So here you can see the PS command is also there, the PID is 6203. Okay, but yeah, one more thing is that, like, if the PS command fetches the result from this particular directory PROC, here if you do ls, then here you will get the information about the particular thing. Okay, so in this particular directory you can see many files are there, like it basically fetches the particular information from this particular directory. Okay, now leave it and just I move it on to the root directory. Now moving forward, suppose I just create one process. Okay, let me just create one process, but before that I want to tell you one command, that is one option, that is ps-c. This command basically option, what basically it does, it basically like gives you the information about the particular process which you want. Okay, in case if you want to get information about the particular process, then you can hit the name of that particular process here. Suppose I need information about the Firefox, okay, which is now it's not running, so I can get this. So now what I will do, I will just first clear the screen and I will open up this particular Firefox. So now what will happen, when I will click on this Firefox, one process is getting created, and then the PID is given to that particular process, and you will see that in this now in a seconds. Okay, so let's wait. Now you can see this Firefox has been started. Now I will use this ps-c and the name of the process, that is the Firefox. So here you can see, like from 10 seconds that it is utilizing the CPU, and the PID is given, and the command is using like Firefox. Okay, like you will say like you have not used this command, but yeah. Let me show you. If I will hit enter Firefox, the Firefox again, the one terminal Firefox will start. Okay, it's showing failed to load. Yeah, but some module is failed, but still here you can see one Firefox window has been appeared. If I'll just close it, okay, so that this is the first one. Okay, so in this way you can see the information about the particular process, and if let me just enter one more command. If I will hit here cat, and it is now in the wait state, like it is just what we can say, asking for the user input. Whatever I will write and anything, okay, it is just waiting for the user input. So I can use this command also. Yeah, like I will write here cat, and here you can see the PID is assigned to this particular process. Okay, so now what I will do, if I want to just kill any process, I want to just what we can say, discard any process, then I can use the kill command, and I will just pass the parameter as this PID. So I will just enter this PID as 739, and then here you will see like let's see what happens. So here you can see terminated. The cat is now terminated. And similarly you can do for this what you can say for Firefox also, but before that let me just use -a option to again view all the processes. So when I will clear, not okay, I will clear this, I'll just do ps-a, and here you can see what is the PID is 6214. Let me check whether it is visible or not. Yeah, here you can see the 6214 PID is generated. Okay, what if I will kill this 6214? What will happen? The Firefox window will get closed. Okay, so here you can see. Now again I will use ps-a. So here you can see there is no 6214, and also no there is web content like what you can say, web content command or any process is not displaying here, as you can see in the previous command here. Let me just move back. Here you can see the web content process was also here. So in this case what had happened, the 6214 PID was the parent process, and under this process there are many other processes, like here you can see the web extensions, web content, and all those things. Okay, so in this way we can use this ps command to get the process of any particular application or any command. Okay, now moving forward about another option, that is the ps-u. Okay, so what this basically command will do, what this command will do. So -u option is basically used to giving the, like you want to get the information over some particular user. So if I will use here Ayush, so I will get this information. So these are the processes which are being used by my command, not by my command, sorry, by me. Actually I use one of the user of this operating system. If I will use root -u root, so here you can see these are some processes which are being used by the root user. Okay. So also there are one more option, that is the AUX option PS command, which is used for getting detailed information over the processes. So PS-AUX displays the result in more detailed format. Okay, so here you can see the name of the user is like displaying like whatever user is using this particular command, this particular process, and the virtual memory utilization, TTY, terminal type, stat, start when the process started. So here you can see the 549. At 549, actually I had started by the system. So it is displaying like on boot time this process has been started. So here you can see all the information. But now here you can see at 6.1 this process, and now at 6.59 this command was done, was used. Okay. So in this way you can get the detailed information about your process. Okay. Also you can use ps-ax to get the running processes. So here you can see these are the running processes. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the time command start. Okay, so that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked it, and it was a very interesting thing, like to get what are the processes being used in your operating system. If you learn more about this, you will get to learn also more, like when you will explore personally, then obviously you will get to learn more about this. So that's all for this video, and we'll meet you in the next one with another interesting command. Okay, so maybe I will get video on top command after this. So let's meet in the next one. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.